Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to add your own assessment system in the Classwise app. When you analyze results for a selected class in the Students section, student results are shown as percentages by default. Sometimes, though, you may need something that better matches the way you work. For example, your school may use a different grading scale, or you may want to set different percentage thresholds. To switch from percentages to the assessment standard used in your country, use the Assessment System drop-down menu. You can also create your own grading scale or assessment system if needed. There are two ways to do this. The first is to customize an existing standard. In the drop-down menu, go to National Standards to see a list of countries and hover over the system you want to use. To customize it, click the dedicated icon. Then select Adapt at the bottom. Here you can edit the standard to match your needs. Remember to give your new scale a name. The second option is to create your own grading scale from scratch. To do this, click the Add Assessment System button. After naming your scale, you can add grade levels and assign the appropriate percentage ranges to each one. When everything is ready, click Add. Your new assessment system is saved in the Custom section and is visible only to you. From now on, you can use it to assess your students. If you'd like to learn more about the Classwise app, check out the next videos. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.